Today I'm reviewing the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro gaming desktop with an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T. If you want to check current pricing or availability, it's linked below. I've spent extended time using this PC on my desk, playing competitive shooters, AAA games at 1440p, keeping chat and background apps open, and using it for everyday tasks. These impressions reflect real-world behavior rather than just spec numbers. Let's set expectations early. This is not a compact budget office box, and it's not a workstation built for heavy content creation. It's positioned as a performance gaming desktop that's ready to go out of the box, without requiring you to source or assemble parts. Real-world gaming performance in everyday gaming. The combination of the Ryzen 9 7900X and the RTX 5070T feels capable and responsive. At 1080p, high and ultra settings are easily attainable with smooth frame pacing. Competitive titles stay steady and consistent, and the system rarely feels strained. At 1440p, you still get good performance at higher detail settings. In very demanding AAA titles, some settings may benefit from modest adjustment, which is typical for this GPU tier. What stands out in normal use is consistency. Performance stays predictable rather than jumping around. CPU performance is strong in gaming and everyday workloads. The Ryzen 9 handles multitasking well, so running a browser, chat apps, and background downloads while gaming didn't introduce noticeable slowdowns. Cooling, noise, and thermal behavior matters in daily use. Under extended gaming load, the cooling solution in the Y40 Pro keeps temperatures under control without frequent throttling. Fans do get audible during heavier sessions, but the noise level is stable and doesn't fluctuate wildly. In lighter tasks like browsing or video streaming, the system sits quietly in the background and doesn't demand attention acoustically. Memory and storage. The included 32GB of DDR5 memory removes immediate upgrade pressure for most gaming and everyday workflows. Switching between games and other apps feels smooth, and there's headroom for multitasking without hesitation. The 2TB NVMe SSD delivers fast boot times and quick game loads. Overall system responsiveness feels solid, and you have plenty of space for larger game libraries without immediate storage concerns. Build quality and daily usability. On the desk, the Y40 Pro feels purposeful rather than experimental. The case and components are solid enough for daily use, and setup was straightforward. Plug in peripherals, choose drives, and you're up and running quickly. Connectivity includes enough USB ports and networking options to support typical gaming and productivity setups without needing constant adapter juggling. A balanced comparison. If you enjoy building your own PC, you might achieve slightly more tailored component balance or choose different storage/amplification/cooling options. That's always part of the DIY advantage. Compared with gaming laptops in a similar price range, this desktop avoids the thermal and power constraints that often limit sustained performance. This system makes sense for. This desktop fits best for buyers who want strong 1080p and solid 1440p gaming performance, prefer a ready-to-use system without part assembly, value stable performance in everyday use, appreciate large storage and ample memory upfront. It isn't focused on extreme overclock benchmarks or niche workstation roles, it's focused on predictable gaming and daily computing performance. Rational evaluation. The iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro delivers a capable balance of CPU and GPU performance for modern gaming at common resolutions. The cooling solution keeps thermals in check with stable noise characteristics. Memory and storage choices support responsive multitasking, and the overall system feels practical for everyday gaming and productivity. Check current pricing below and evaluate it against your needs.